Hi, my dear students and respected parents. I am Miss Neha. Today, I will be teaching Subject Literacy Skills. Topic Revision of Patterns and Introduction of Letter A. So, children, are you all ready for the class? Okay. First, let us see the four-line concept. You have already learned the four-line concept, yes or no? Yes. So shall we revise it once again, children? Yeah. The red line here is line 1. The first blue line here is line 2. The second blue line here is line 3. And the bottom red line here is line 4. I repeat, there are 4 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4. The first line here is called as line 1. The first blue line here is called as line 2. The second blue line is called as line 3. And the bottom red line here is called as line 4. Children, you have to learn the 4-line concept well because using these lines we will be writing the letters. Okay? Yeah. Now, next we'll move on to revision of patterns. We have learned different patterns. Yes or no? Yes. So shall we revise it once again? Okay. Now you will trace with me on the screen. First one is standing line. Start from top, come down, standing line. Start from top, come down, standing line. Okay? Then sleeping line. Sleeping line is from left to right. Start from here to your right. Sleeping line. Sleeping line. Next is right to left slanting line. Start from top here, slanting towards the left side. Slanting line. Trace once again. Start from here. Move down towards the left side. Slanting line. Next is left to right slanting line. Start from your left hand side on top. Come down to the right side. So this is left to right slanting line. Start from here. Come down. Left to right slanting line. Now, shall we see few more patterns? Yes. So, next is C curve. Okay. So, C curve. How do we write C curve? Trace along with me. Start like this. C curve. Once again. C curve. Once again. C curve. Then after C curve, the next pattern we learnt is reverse curve. Again, reverse curve. Once again, reverse curve. Reverse curve is nothing but ulta C. The last pattern what we learnt was closed curve. Children, for closed curve, start from here, come down to the left and go up to the right and end on the same point. Okay? You will start from this point, come down to the left and go up and end on the same point. This is closed curve. What is this? Closed curve. Okay. So, we have learned the patterns. Here, dear parents, please do the work given in the English notebook. That is, they have to write all the patterns as shown in the picture in the English notebook. Okay. Standing line, sleeping line, right to left slanting line, left to right slanting line, C curve, reverse curve and closed curve. Children, kindly follow the lines and write as shown in the picture. Dear parents, please draw the lines as shown in the picture because it will be easier for the kids to write. This should be written in the English notebook. Okay, children? Very good. Now, we will move on to the next concept, that is introduction of letter A. Letter A is the first letter in the English alphabet. Okay? Now, do you all like to listen to a story? Yes. Now, ma'am will tell a story. You all will listen to it. Okay? Yeah. Now, there were 2 friends named Aaron and Annie. Okay? There were 2 friends named Aaron and Annie. Aaron and Annie were very good friends. They went out to a play park one day. Okay, they went out to a play park. As they entered the play park, Aaron and Annie, they were surprised to see slides, swing, and very happy seeing the play park. Then as they went forward, they saw an, what is this? Very good. They saw an apple tree. What did they see? Apple tree with full of apples. They were very fond of apples. Then besides the apple tree, they saw few ants walking slowly towards ant hill. Now what is ant hill? Ant hill is home for ants, where ants live. So they saw few ants walking slowly towards the ant hill. Okay, so they were like very nice. Ants are walking towards the ant hill. Then they went a little forward and they were amazed to see a pond. They were like, wow, there's a pond. Then when they peeped inside the pond, there was an alligator. What did they find there? They found a alligator. Alligator suddenly opened its mouth. It opened its mouth to drink some water. When alligator opened its mouth, Annie and Aaron, they got scared with fear. They started screaming, ah, 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 and they ran away from the park because they saw alligator opening its mouth wide. Okay, so children, did you like the story? Yes. Now tell me, what did you hear in this story? What are the words? Very good. We have used lot of A sound words. Yes or no? Yes. Like Aaron, Annie, apple, apple tree, anthill, ants, and alligator. Now with this, what do we understand? That the letter A says A. What is the sound of letter A, children? A. Now Aaron, Annie, apple tree, apples, ants, anthill, alligator. Now there are different sounds for letter A, but we will be learning the short sound, that is A. So what does A say? How does letter A sound? A. A. Repeat after me. A. Very good. Now, shall we see few more pictures related to letter A? Yes, this is capital A and small a. How does A sound? A. A for apple, A for axe, A for ant. Okay, what does A sound like? A. Now, dear parents, from the phonic reader on page number 5, there is letter A and appropriate pictures. Please make your child to read the following. A. What does A sound? A. A. Apple. A. Ant. A. Axe. Okay, children, please read this. Now, from Literacy Skills Workbook on page number 25, there are few more pictures associated to letter A. Now tell me, what does letter A sound like, children? Very good. A sounds A. A. Apple. A. Ankle. A. Anchor. A. Apricot. A. Ant. A. Arrow. A. Axe. A. Alligator. And A for aunt. So, dear parents, on page 25 from English workbook, that is Literacy Skills Workbook, please make the child to read the following. Now, can we see how do we write A? Yes, children, see from top, right to left slanting line. Again, take your pencil to the point where you started. left to right slanting line, and a sleeping line. I repeat, from top, right to left slanting line. Take your pencil to the point where you started, left to right slanting line, and a sleeping line. This is capital A. Now, how do we write small a? See here, we use C curve. I repeat, we use C curve. Go up. No lifting your pencil. Do not lift your pencil and come down. I repeat, C curve. Go up. Do not lift your pencil and come down. Children, here you will do the tracing activity first. Dear parents, please use the sand tray to trace first and then let them write it in the book. Now, how do we write letter A, that is capital and small a, on 4 lines? Shall we learn? Yes. So children, starting from line 1, we start from line 1, right to left slanting line till line number 3. Take the pencil back to the point where you started on line 1. Left to right slanting line till line number 3 and a sleeping line. This is capital A. I repeat, from line 1, right to left slanting line till line number 3. Again, take the pencil back to line 1 from the point where you started. Left to right slanting line till line number 3 and a sleeping line on line number 2. Okay, this is capital A. How do we write small a? From line number 2, a C curve, go up. Do not lift your pencil and come down. I repeat, from line number 2, C curve, go up. Do not lift your pencil, come down. Okay? I repeat, from line number 2 to line number 3, C curve, go up. Do not lift your pencil and come down. Children, you should not lift your pencil, so that it will be easier for you to write the words. Okay, so do not lift your pencil. This is small a. Now, dear parents, from your literacy skills workbook on page number 26, they have a tracing activity. Trace letter A, that is capital and small a, with your finger and then with different crayons. Okay, different colors of crayons. First they'll trace it with their finger. Okay, capital A and small a. Okay, trace it with your finger and then with different crayons. Now here also we have A for astronaut, A for abacus, and A for alien. How does A sound? A. How does A sound? A. Now, here there is another activity to complete. Trace and write and say the name of a letter. See children, ma'am has done the first 2 for you. How to write capital A on 4 lines and small a on 4 lines. So follow the same pattern. Dear parents, help your child to complete the page 26 from Literacy Skills Workbook. Now, moving on to the next page, that is page number 27 from Literacy Skills Workbook. You have to write the first letter of each object and say the word. Now, what is this? Very good. This is an ant. Yes or no? Yeah. Now, tell me, ant starts from which letter? Very good. Which letter makes the sound A? Very good. A. So, you will write small a within the line 2 and line 3. Okay, those are the line 2 and line 3. Within those lines you will write small a. See, ma'am is written for you. Same way, what picture is this? This is a picture of an axe. Yes or no? Again, you will write small letter a within line 2 and line 3. Dear parents, please help your child to complete the remaining page on page 27. Now, moving on to the next page, that is page number 28 from Literacy Skills Workbook. Here, circle the words that have letter A in them. Children, there are different pictures given. Yes or no? Yes. Now, for example, first one ma'am is done for you. What is this? This is a picture of an apple. Apple starts with which letter? A, that is A. Now, wherever you have letter A, you will circle that word. Now, does apple have letter A here? Yes, so ma'am has circled the word apple. Likewise, When you go to the next one, what picture is this? Is a picture of a pen. Very good. Does pen have letter A here? No. So you will not circle the letter as it does not have letter A. You will not circle the word pen. Likewise, please go through the other pictures. Wherever there is letter A, you have to circle the word. Okay, dear parents, please assist your child to complete the work on page 28. I repeat, page 26, 27 and 28 from Literacy Skills Workbook. Okay? Yeah. Now, from the handwriting book on page 8 and 9, they have to write capital A and small a. Children, from handwriting book on page 8 and 9, you have to write capital A and small a. Dear parents, please draw the lines as shown in the picture so that it is neat and it is easier for kids to write. I repeat, please draw lines as shown in the picture. This is the handwriting book on page 8 and 9. Please draw lines so that it will be easier for kids to write both capital A and small a. Thank you, children. I hope you all enjoyed today's class. Yes or no? Yes. So shall we meet in the next class with another concept? Okay, till then, bye. Take care.